Good morning, all of you. Class 10th. Today we will teach geography, agriculture. I am Gautam Ganguli from Adarsh Vidya Mandir. Now today's topic is agriculture. What is the definition of agriculture? Economic activity related to cultivation of crops, animal rearing and fishing. This is called agriculture. In agriculture, it is not like that only the cultivation of crops, animal rearing or animal husbandry and fishing. These are also allied with agriculture. Next, come to the another point: green revolution. What is the meaning of green revolution? Green revolution means by the use of modern technology, modern equipments, tools, fertilizer and everything that is used for the more production of crops, or we can say per yield hectare production of crops is more by the help of green revolution. Green revolution, it was firstly happened in Punjab, Haryana and western part of Uttar Pradesh. Now, what is horticulture? Horticulture means what? Here we cultivate mainly the flowers and vegetables like this. Next one is white revolution. White revolution means what? The massive production of milk and milk products, that is white revolution. And because of milk product, we know that we are now sufficient in the food production, and varieties products of milk that is also available with us. Next one is sericulture. Sericulture means what? Rearing of silkworm. Silkworm is important nowadays. The rearing of silkworm, that also created a big market for farmers, especially in the Indian market and the foreign markets also. The demand of silkworm or silk thread is increasing. The seasons of crops, that means cropping season. There are three cropping seasons. You know that first one is the Kharif season. Kharif season means at the time of monsoon. When monsoon starts, at that time the agriculture also starts, and it is harvested with the monsoon, and when it is ripened, that means at the time of November, December, it is the ripened crops are cutted. Next one, the ripened crops are cut. Next one is rice. Rice is the Kharif crop. Next one is the Rabi crop. Rabi crop means what? Rabi crop means it starts with the winter season. Winter season means like December. And it mainly the wheat is the example of the Rabi crop. Wheat, mustard oil, mustard, like this way. And beside the Kharif and Rabi crop, another season is that which is called Zaid crop. Zaid crop, it is mainly produced in the March and April. Watermelon, cucumber, okay, like musk melon. These are the main products of this Zaid season. Next one, the types of farming. Types of farming that already we have discussed earlier videos. The types of farming: the primitive subsistence farming, then intensive subsistence farming, commercial farming, plantation farming. These are the main farming types. We have to learn the features of this farming. Primitive subsistence farming, which is also called slash and burn agriculture. Slash and burn agriculture is also called primitive subsistence farming. In primitive subsistence farming, we know that small patches of land is required. Then here is no use of fertilizer, no use of modern machines. Only primitive tools are used, and scattered land holdings, and no use of fertilizers. And here the farmer produce crops mainly for their own consumption, not for commercial purposes. Next one, come to the other point. The government of India has taken some initiative to develop our agriculture. First one, the agriculture for the agriculture. ICAR means Indian Council of Agricultural Research. Indian Council of Agricultural Research set up, which is mainly doing research work in the field of agriculture. Next one, agriculture universities and veterinary services. Agriculture universities also set up for the study of agriculture, and beside that the veterinary services. Veterinary services is also important. We know that animal husbandry is also a part of agriculture. So for the development of animal husbandry, we need this one, the veterinary services. Horticulture also developed, and which gives us two things. In one side vegetable, in another side flowers. We know that nowadays the flowers, the demand of flowers also increasing, and as well as the fruits also needed for the development of fruits, and vegetables also needed for the development of economy. The government started KCC. KCC means what? Kisan Credit Card. Like a credit card, and the farmer can easily take the loan, or immediately they can purchase the agriculture related materials without using the cash, and loan also given from the bank side or cooperative side. Next one, research and development in the field of meteorology and weather forecast. We know that weather is a very important part for agriculture. Without knowing about the weather, we cannot perform well in the field of agriculture. That's why the meteorological department also help the farmers to develop the agriculture. And nowadays we know that we come early. We know early the weather conditions of the seasons, weather conditions of the coming days, and even the meteorological department also advised us which season is better, which season is suitable for the which agriculture. And next one, improvement of rural infrastructure. Rural infrastructure is very much important for the development of agriculture, and especially the crops should come to the market, then only the farmers get better income. And nowadays you know that new government also introduced railway services for the crop selling, and the market has been opened for the farmers. They can sell their commodities, their products, their agricultural products in anywhere in the country. In this way, the government is also helping for the development of agriculture. So this one question is 5 marks question. So you must prepare and watch this video. Thank you for watching this video.